dignitaries on the dais, friend, philosopher and guide, and our past chairman, and big brother in our profession, CA Vaman Kaman, and today's inaugurator of this program, Shri Chandan Patil, KAS, and principal of the college, Dr. Premalata Madam, HOD, Rejamma Madam, and the chief coordinator and Professor Dr. Prashant Bhatt, and student leaders Adarsh and Deepak, and all enthusiastic, young, energetic, charming, and those who are taking inspiration from the speakers, all my beloved students. Good morning to all of you. I say good morning to all of you.
Good morning, sir.
Now it is okay. Now you are alert. Because in our CA, the tagline is Yesha Sukteshu Jagarti. That means when others are asleep, we should be awake. Then somebody asks one question. When others are asleep, we should be awake. Then when others are awake, what we should do? Whether we should sleep? No. When others are awake, we should be more alert. Okay, that should be the situation. You are all very lucky that all are commerce students. All are commerce students?
Yes.
Yeah. You are very lucky that you have taken choice as a commerce, because commerce has plethora of opportunities worldwide. Bracket, provided you should inculcate what's happening across the globe, not what is there in the textbook. When we were doing our BCom, after full 1 year, they used to conduct exams. I am the first batch student of Mangalore University. Then I pursued my chartered accountancy professor, that articleship with CL Agarwal and Company, Mumbai, and simultaneously I pursued LLB from Thana Law College, Mumbai. Meanwhile, I used to read many newspapers. Those days, we never used to see TV. We never had tea in TV room also. But now, you have a lot of opportunities. How many of you read newspaper? First, be frank, don't cheat yourselves. How many of you read newspaper every day? You raise your hands. Out of 100 people, overall 5 people. That means you are not in news. Okay? If you read newspaper, either you will be in news or you will get news. In order to be in news, first you should know what is the news. Okay? Out of these 5 people, how many of you are reading English newspaper? 3. Others 2 people are definitely reading Udayavani. Correct? Okay. Good. That is vernacular language newspaper also you have to read. Okay. Out of these English newspapers, how many of you are reading business newspapers? Business Line, Economic Times, Financial Express? Only one. So, you have statistics? Okay. Of course, he has to raise his hand because he is a leader today. Okay. See, this is the sorry state of affairs of ours. When we used to study, the entire portion from June month until February or March, they used to teach. Then exams they used to conduct in the mid-April or May. Now, after semester system, only 5-6 chapters. Stars have become now semi-stars. After the semester, stars have become semi-stars. And it is so time pass. Tell me frankly, entire 6-month portion I have to complete within 1 month. Be frank, our Krishan. 100% we can complete within 1 month. If you challenge, I will show. Remaining 5 months, what you have to do? See, that's why I say college academics and curriculum you should study. Along with that, you should inculcate what is happening in stock market, what's happening all over. And today, as a symbolically, our investors club is inaugurated by putting a coin. We can construe 2 meanings from that. One is, you should have saving habit. Every day you should save. Coin has got no relevance now. Even beggar will not accept coin. He will tell, give me big note. Okay. So it is a just symbol. 10 rupee coin is also there. If you put daily 10 rupee coin, it becomes big sum. Another meaning, one is you should have saving habit. If you simply save and keep the money inside, whether it will grow, it will not grow. In order to grow, what you have to do that saved money? You should invest. So you can construe 2 meanings from today's that symbolic inauguration. First you should save, next you should invest. When the question of invest comes, how to invest? In Kautilya, in Arthashastra, he has told, Kshanashaha, Ganashaschaiva, Vidyam Arthancha Sadhaye, Kshanathyage Kuto Vidya, Ganatyage Kuto Dhanam. What a beautiful this. Chandragupta Maurya's chief minister. Who? What is his name? What is his name? His name is Vishnugupta. He is called Chanakya. Then he is also called Kautilya. Which book he has written? Arthashastra. ಅದು ಓದಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಓದಿದ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಥಶಾಸ್ತ್ರ ಹೇಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? So whether you have introduced that book to your students, your economics professor, please introduce that Arthashastra to our students so that first they let them understand Artha. Okay. So Kshanashaha Ganashaschaiva Vidyam Arthancha Sadhaye. Even 1 minute you should not waste. Time is very precious. Likewise, Ganashaschaiva, 1 rupee also you should not waste. Then, if you don't waste your time, you can gain knowledge. Vidyam, Arthancha, Ganashaschaiva, that means if you save small amount, that means small drops of water make a mighty ocean. Kshanathyage Kuto Vidya, that means if you are waste your time, where you will gain the knowledge. Ganatyage Kuto Dhanam, if you waste money, where you can grow, how you can create your wealth, how beautifully it is explained. So there are many types of investors. The most popular investment is with where? Stock market. How many of you are having PAN card? Those who have not got PAN card, today itself you apply for your PAN card. Okay? PAN. See, PAN card is like a driving license to drive. Whether you know driving or you don't know driving, it is difficult. But PAN card is also, it is gateway for any investment. Without PAN card, you cannot proceed in any investment. Even bank account opening, any investment, you require PAN card. Correct? Okay. How many of you have Demat account? So many of you are having Demat account? Okay, I will ask some questions about Demat account. Then others will not raise their hands. Okay, no time now. Demat account means nowadays no shares are traded in the stock market in physical mode. Okay, it is in all held in electronic mode. So all of you should have first Demat account. How many of you have invested in stock market? Good. How many types of investments are there in stock market? One is IPO, initial public offer. You can apply for IPOs. Okay. Next, you can invest directly in stock market. There are also three types of investors. One is trader, another is speculator, another is pure investor. Okay. All things you should know. Trading also you should know. F&O also you should know. Speculation also you should know. And investment in share market. It may be short term or long term. All these things you should know. Once you know, you can tell your parents also. You can tell your elder brother, elder sister, those who have money. You can advise them also. Then they will become your very pet. Or you will become their pet. Provided they earn more. Otherwise, she will pet alone. So in investment, as our MC told, investment in knowledge is the best investment, Benjamin Franklin told. Knowledge means what? Knowledge in investment, this investment field is also a knowledge. Any knowledge you gain, it cannot be confiscated by anybody. Any knowledge you gain, you should apply the knowledge. Application of knowledge is wisdom. If you want to grow your money, your knowledge in financial sector, you should apply your wisdom, convert your knowledge into wisdom. Application of knowledge is wisdom. Then you can earn. Your money can multiply. Even power of compounding and all you might have studied. Correct, no? So, when you invest, ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಗಿಡ ನೆಟ್ಟು ನೀರು ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ. ನೀರು ಹಾಕಿ ಬೇರು ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅಂತ ತೆಗೆದು ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ? Many people they think that every day they check, they get disappointed. See, in share market, first you will get disappointment only. You may burn your fingers. No problem. You can put burner. But don't burn your hands. Okay? Our jail superintendent is very near. He is only stone's throw distance from your college. Somebody told, where is your office? I told, my office is stone's throw distance from Canberra College. But so far nobody has thrown stones to my office. Okay? So we are very near. See, you are very lucky that you got very knowledgeable professors. And today many clubs are there. The Investors Club, it is a very novel idea. We should congratulate, we should thank And we should compliment Dr. Prashant Bhatt and entire Canberra College team, as well as our friend philosopher and guide C.A. Vaman Kamath for facilitating this investors club. This is the first time, no, in the college. Really, congratulations and hats off. Prashant Bhatt, the name itself says, he is always cool and calm. Chandan name also says, Chandan is also cool and calm. In investment, if you are cool and calm, then only you can earn. So there is a saying in Sanskrit, Chandanam Shitalam Loke, Chandanaadapi Chandrama, Chandra Chandanayor Madhye Shitala Sadhu Sangati. Chandanam Shitalam Loke, that means entire universe. This is the coolest thing, Srigandha, Chandanam. Chandanam Shitalam Loke, Chandanadapi Chandrama. Srigandha Kinta Chandra, moon is very cool. Chandrodaya ಆದ ಕೂಡಲೇ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಿಸಿಲಿನ ಬೇಗ ಇದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ it becomes cool. Chandra Chandanayor Madhye, that means above this Chandra and Chandana, Shitala, still cool. Sadhu Sangati. It means Sadhu means need not be this Swamiji. Sadhu means a person who is having sufficient or abundant knowledge in particular field. So you should always assess, even in social media, if you go to YouTube, who is the richest stock market person in the world? Warren Buffett. Have you seen his videos? Have you seen in YouTube? Tell me frank, no problem. Okay. Then, who is the Warren Buffett of India? Rakesh Jhunjhunwala. Okay, have you seen this one videos? CNBC TV 18, even on Saturdays, Sundays, 24 hours, 24/7 channel. You have to go through, you will get lot of ideas. See, investment you can do in FDs, these are all traditional things. You youngsters have risk appetite. More the risk, more the return. That is not suitable for you. Why it is not suitable? Because if you keep money in banks now, it will fetch not more than 5%, 5.5% max. What is the inflation rate now? Around 6%. When the inflation rate is more than the interest rate, what happens? Your investment get eroded. The value of investment, real value of investment will come down. Then what you need to do? You should invest in inflation beating investments. Inflation beating investment is either shares or mutual funds. Okay, if you are not free, you don't understand the fundamentals of share market, you can do mutual fund, you can open one systematic investment planning. Even Canberra Bank branch is here only. Any bank, you can go and open a SIP account. Minimum 1,000 rupees, 500 rupees per month. You can open the account, it will also grow. You may not believe, from last year to current year, markets have gone up 50 to 60%. In some stocks, even 100%. So you may think, last time I had invested, I would have earned so much. You forget about that. Now what is the Sensex today? Yesterday? 57, 58, okay. You take a round of correctly, 60,000. What is the Nifty? Normally, Sensex is 3.5 times of the Nifty. Okay, Nifty means what? It is the top 50 shares, Nifty 50 they say. Sensex, it is top 30 shares. So that index is Sensex or Nifty. So you can invest in stock market, there is a provision to invest in properties. It is not possible for you now because you have to still earn. Okay, investment in gold, it is liked by all the ladies, correct no? Gold. Investment is gold, not gold ornaments. Why I will tell you later. Okay, investment in gold or gold bonds, then investment in stock market, investment in mutual funds, then latest investment, it is yet to be approved by RBI. Investment in crypto. You know, all of you know crypto? Bitcoin means what you know? Many millionaires have become billionaires. Many billionaires have become millionaires also by investing in Bitcoin. So you should be little bit cautious while investing in Bitcoin. So now it is not legal way of investing in India. Okay, across the world also, many countries they have not recognized except Japan. Japan they have recognized this Bitcoin. So the synopsis is ultimately you can earn while you learn. If you make money, you will still earn. If you don't make money, at least you will learn how you got failure. Failure is the stepping stone for success. So, I have a program called, what is the name? In Namakudla, I am conducting one program. Any of you know?
Business tonic.
Business tonic. You can see in YouTube, not now after this session. 146 episodes I have conducted. More than 10 episodes I have done on investments. Business tonic. I am giving tonic to business people. The caption is, I will change that caption today here. My beloved students and their beloved professors and dear investors, are your investment confusions chronic? Do not panic. This is Canara College Investors Club Clinic. Here we will give you investment tips. Tony, I am CASS 9. This is the entry in all the episodes. ವ್ಯಾಪಾರಿಗಳೇ, ಉದ್ಯಮಿಗಳೇ, ಗ್ರಾಹಕರೇ, ಆಗಿವೆಯಾ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆಗಳು ಕ್ರಾನಿಕ್? ಆಗಬೇಡಿ ಯಾವತ್ತು ಪ್ಯಾನಿಕ್. ಇದು ನಮ್ಮ ಕುಡ್ಲ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಕ್ಲಿನಿಕ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಟಾನಿಕ್. ನಾನು CASS 9. It is sponsored by, program is sponsored by Karnataka Bank. You are very, very lucky to study in this great institution. It is, who is the founder of your institution? Nirmal Subbarao Pai. So I will conclude my talk with a small chutuku on this institution. ನಮ್ಮ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆಯ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆ ಸೌತ್ ಕೆನರಾ. ನಮ್ಮ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆಯ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆ ಸೌತ್ ಕೆನರಾ. ನಮ್ಮ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆಯ ವಿದ್ಯಾಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಕೆನರಾ. ನಮ್ಮ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆಯ ವಿದ್ಯಾಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಕೆನರಾ. ಎನ್ನಂಬಾಲ್ ಸುಬ್ಬರಾವ್ ಪೈ ಇದರ ಹರಿಕಾರ. ಎನ್ನಂಬಾಲ್ ಸುಬ್ಬರಾವ್ ಪೈ ಇದರ ಹರಿಕಾರ. ಸಾವಿರಾರು ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳ ಕನಸು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಕಾರ. ಸಾವಿರಾರು ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳ ಕನಸು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಕಾರ. ಹೇಳುವ ಈ ಭವ್ಯ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗೆ ಜೈಕಾರ. ಹೇಳುವ ಈ ಭವ್ಯ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗೆ ಜೈಕಾರ. ಇಂದು CA ವಾಮನ್ ಕಾಮತ್ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಗುರಿಕಾರ. ನಮ್ಮ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಗುರಿಕಾರ ಆಗಲಿ. ಕೆನರಾ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಲಬ್ಗೆ ಶುಭಕರ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ to participate in this investors club program. If you have any doubts in our business tonic, we can ask live doubts, or my office is just a stone's throw distance from your college, but don't throw stones. Wish you all the very best. You should inculcate not only academic knowledge what's happening across the globe, just inculcate that knowledge. Definitely you will be employable, or you can be the entrepreneur and you can employ people also. Wish you all the very best for your future endeavors. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your inspiring and knowledgeable words. Definitely, your words smiles in everyone's face today. Now, I